Hi everyone, my name is Mary Beth. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do energy work. We're going to clear a chakra, so we're going to figure out which chakra we're going to clear today. So let's see, which chakra are we going to clear today? Yay! Okay. We got throat chakra. Okay, we're gonna clear the throat chakra today. Beautiful. Okay. So now let me start by sweeping you. And as I'm sweeping your aura, please make sure that you're visualizing your team of enlightened beings. Sorry. I don't want anything to blow away. They're brushing and combing through your aura, okay, all the way down, and that they're mending any holes in your aura as well. Go back of you. Okay, again, combing, brushing. This is what we do in pranic healing. We brush out the aura first, mending all the holes. Maybe even do some figure eights. Let's do some figure eights. Figure eight, figure eight, figure eight, figure eight, figure eight. Sorry. Okay. Figure eight as well into your soul. Okay, I mean your aura. Okay. So now we're going to do throat chakra. We're going to scan. Actually, hold on one second. Okay. Scanning. Green. Okay, we're going to cleanse your throat chakra. Cleansing your throat chakra. So this is the I am expressive. I am expressive. If you feel like you're having a hard time expressing yourself, just know you need just to cleanse your throat chakra. Okay, beautiful. Okay, and now let me take this crystal. We're going to cleanse your throat chakra. Sometimes it'll show up as coughing, or sometimes some kind of, phlegm or something. You know, you just want to cleanse this out. So maybe there's something. Sometimes it could mean listening too, they're telling me. But a lot of times it's, you wanting to express yourself in a way where you felt like you weren't allowed to. Okay. And now let's go ahead and let's energize your throat chakra. And then I'm going to just use this as well to kind of energize. Okay, and now we're going to stabilize the throat chakra. Stabilize. Okay, and now we're going to release a trapped emotion. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this away. Let me grab a trapped emotion. What are we cleansing today? Something already popped out really quickly, though. What is this? Rejection. Okay, so this is what popped out. So we have rejection. Okay, so we're going to cleanse the trapped emotion of rejection. Okay, so if you're feeling this inside, We're going to cleanse this now. You could also release off the governing meridian, releasing a trapped emotion of rejection, releasing the trapped emotion of rejection, releasing a trapped emotion of rejection, releasing a trapped emotion of rejection, releasing a trapped emotion of rejection. Just remember, I am one with everything. I cannot be rejected. I can only reject myself. If you're rejecting yourself in some way, that is being mirrored back to you in some way. How are you rejecting yourself? Just ask yourself that question. How are you rejecting yourself? Okay, and now we're going to release a negative broadcast message that you might have picked up. Listening to a song or watching a movie or play or a TV show or something like that. Commercial. Okay. Okay, this is, oh, I am an emotion. Okay, so this, okay, so what, okay, that's interesting. So we're going to say what emotion? Oh, geez. This came out too. So we're going to pick an emotion to see, like, because right now you're programmed to feel like it's a negative broadcast message that makes you feel like you are an emotion. So what emotion is this, please? What's the actual emotion, please? Oh, geez. Oh, okay. 2 of them came out. Yeah. So I have low self-esteem. It's almost like I have low self-esteem because love is unreceived is what's coming out. So we're going to release that with the rose quartz, releasing that you feel like you have low self-esteem due to love unreceived. So releasing that is actually a program. That is actually that's in your subconscious mind as a program. They call it negative broadcast messages. So it was a negative broadcast message that was broadcasted to you. So we're going to release that from your subconscious mind, releasing that you are a particular emotion or the fact that you have low self-esteem, releasing that you have low self-esteem, releasing the emotion that you have low, or that I have low self-esteem, releasing I have low self-esteem. Beautiful. Okay. And now we're just going to cleanse a little bit here with the selenite. Beautiful. 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 Okay. And now we're going to quickly pick an essential oil that may or may not be good for you. We're just going to pick an essential oil that you may already have in your cabinet. You may not be like, oh yeah, I should start using that again. Melaleuca. Melaleuca. That's a, Melaleuca. That's a kind of essential oil that you could add to your repertoire. Okay, now also, I'm going to do a couple more things. I'm going to do light therapy, and I'm going to do a runic symbol. So here's some light therapy for you. All right. Okay, we have a beautiful runic symbol, and that means love. Okay, so we have love. Okay, and this is called Burkana. Sorry, Burkana. Burkana. So just drawing the rune symbol in your aura. Love. Burkana. Love. Burkana. Love. Prakana. So it's like 2 triangles. So it's like Prakana. Prakana, love. Okay. And last but not least, we're going to give you the Ho'oponopono. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And please picture anyone that you need to hear this from. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And love and blessings, 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 love and blessings. One final sweep down your aura. One big final sweep down your aura. One final sweep down your aura. Okay. And again, some more figure 8s in your aura. More figure 8s in your aura. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button. Thank you so much for joining me and have a great rest of your day. Thanks, everyone.